general knowledge with all the guys here. So today the topics will be different. So Lapas, cockroach, then the P man.
Get my name right.
Sniper, you understand?
Panado, dog. Panado. Nigga, what's wrong with you?
So-
Exactly, it's before expire.
Namhlanje, I'm gonna ask them questions that are a bit tricky. So you pay ball along there,
I'm just soccer girl.
So you do watch soccer, right?
Nah.
Okay, you know some soccer teams, right?
Yeah. Bro, we don't do that shit.
Okay, shut the fuck up. I wasn't asking.
Hey, bana.
Okay. So dog, give me the capital city of Congo.
Hell nice. You from Congo, nigga. You know what's happening.
You know.
from Congo.
God have mercy upon us.
Better question, nigga. We said we're gonna talk about soccer. Bro, let's just talk about soccer. Shit.
Let's just talk about soccer. So, okay. That was just a joke, okay?
Just a joke.
Okay. So, give me one team that has a stadium at Spain.
A lot, yo.
Atletico Real Madrid.
Real Madrid.
Okay, take.
Atletico Madrid. Let me see another
Okay.
one.
Nikki,
I'm thinking
now.
Nigga smart, yo.
So, give me the captain of Napoli.
Captain of Napoli.
Fili, wait now.
Bro, I'm not.
How many?
It's not your time.
Yo, I'm not sure. I'm not sure who's the captain of Napoli, nigga. But I think it's Scott McTominay.
Cosmopo.
Hey,
I
bana.
think it's McTominay.
Hey, bana.
Is it McTominay?
My friend,
Hey, bana.
my friend.
Aye, dog. Dog.
This nigga.
Wabanai.
Lena Haït.
You see now, you now agree.
Who's the captain?
Hey,
Tell me. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I just said Scott McTominay. Just tell me who is it? Then. Who is it, go?
Bro,
Your shit is boring.